Imagine walking into your teenager's room and discovering they're in love, not with a classmate, not with someone from school, but with an AI chatbot on their phone. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is the reality our future generation is facing. 1 in 5 high school students either has a romantic relationship with a chatbot or knows someone who does. That's 20% of our teens forming emotional bonds with artificial intelligence instead of real people. Nearly half are using AI for companionship or as an escape from reality. And here's the part that should terrify every parent and teacher. 38% of teens say it's easier to talk to AI than to their own parents. The Center for Democracy and Technology surveyed over 1,000 high school students, 800 teachers, and 1,000 parents. What they discovered should be a wake-up call. 86% of students use AI in the past school year. Nearly 1/3 admitted to using school-issued devices for personal, intimate conversations with AI chatbots. This is happening nationwide, spreading faster than anyone can respond. But here's what's even more alarming. 50% of students now feel less connected to their teachers when AI is used in class. 38% would rather ask a chatbot for help than talk to their teacher. We're watching human connection erode in real time, replaced by interactions with code that mimics empathy but cannot truly provide it. Here's what I believe. Our children are navigating unprecedented territory, and they need us to catch up and provide the structure they deserve. Think back to television, social media, video games, and smartphones. Each time we adapted, we created boundaries, we taught critical thinking. AI is no different. The problem is we're treating it like it's someone else's responsibility. Parents assume schools are handling it. Schools assume parents are monitoring it. Tech companies claim they're just providing tools. Meanwhile, our kids are forming emotional dependencies on systems designed to keep them engaged at any cost. But the reality is that responsibility is shared, and we all need to step up. Tech companies must build safety features from the ground up, not as afterthoughts following tragedies. They need to prioritize child safety over profit margins. Schools need clear, consistent policies. Students must understand how these systems work, their limitations, and how to use them responsibly. AI can be a powerful learning tool without becoming a substitute for human connection. And parents, this is where it gets personal. We cannot outsource our children's relationship with technology. Just as we set rules about TV time and social media, we need clear boundaries around AI. That means honest conversations, monitoring apps on their devices, asking questions when behavior changes, and being present enough that they rather talk to you than an algorithm. 38% of teens say it's easier to talk to AI than their parents. That's because AI chatbots don't judge, don't get tired, and don't have bad days. They're always available, always agreeable, and always supportive. We can't compete with artificial perfection, but we can be real, present, and genuinely interested in our children's lives. That's something no algorithm can replace. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here. Our children are living in it right now. The question isn't whether they'll use these tools. The question is whether we'll guide them wisely. AI can be incredible for learning creativity and productivity, but only if we teach our children to control technology rather than letting it control them. Drop a comment with the guidelines you've set or any questions you have. We're all in this together, and our children are counting on us to get this right. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and most importantly, stay in the loop.